Hello everyone, I'm just leaving the elevators. There's two elevators here at 1650 Jackson Street. We're going to visit apartment 502. This is a wonderful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and you can see really bright and sunny apartment, condo I should say, here in the North Beach area. To the right, we have the kitchen, stainless appliances, 4-burner gas range with a heater on top. It's really convenient to keep your food warm. Lots of cabinets, and of course, microwave, deep sink, and garbage disposal. We have a washer and dryer, stackable. 2 units, which is really nice because, again, it's always better having 2 instead of the singles. So this is a real benefit. Here's a dining room area that you can have a kitchen or a dining room table. You know, almost bar stool seating right there if you wanted to put some bar stools there so you can engage with whoever's doing the cooking. And what a view! I mean, let's just take a look out the window first. You can definitely see the bay, Tiburon, and then you have this wonderful private, which is really nice. You can have a couple of chairs out here, a table, you can work, read. One of the nice things about this building is also the outdoor space. You can see down below. We can get just, there we go. You can see that there is a courtyard there that's for everyone to enjoy. And then just scan back. All right, let's go back through the living room. All these are double pane windows. So once I opened them all because it's such a nice warm day. But closing them is super quiet in here. Very well lit. Multiple light fixtures. To the left we have bathroom number 1, and shower is right back here. Part of the appeal of this property is that it does have parking. There's a little bit of storage down below as well. Let's look at closet. There is closet organizers. These are nice big closets. And then this unit, this bedroom, has direct access to the balcony as well, so you can get up and go outside, as well as you can do that here with the master bedroom. So here's much more spacious. It has a little private area here, and that also looks out. Get that to focus. There we go. You can see the seagull up there. Double closets here, and full tub shower combination right here. Again, this is in North Beach. You know, it's COVID, so one of the things that people are looking for now is outdoor space and walkability, and shops and places to buy groceries, and all of that is very nearby. And then once everything returns to normal, you can't beat the location. There's so many wonderful restaurants. I'm just going to scan through everything again so you have a second shot looking. But so many restaurants, and there's also, I didn't show you there's a little closet right there. Restaurants and transportation options. If you're interested in this property, give us a call. We're showing it. It's again in March 2021. See the links below. Subscribe to the channel if you like what we're doing. And let's turn around. Again, thank you very much for watching. And again, if there's anything that you have questions about, please use the comment section below. All right, cheers. Bye-bye.